Hi everyone, here's another tutorial on Slack, and this one's really important for us to be able to reach out to each other. So in order for Slack to work properly, we need to make sure that our names are entered properly into Slack so that it's easy for us to search for one another. How we're going to do that is up here on the top right is an icon for your profile. I'm going to click that, and the next thing I'm going to click is Edit Profile. Here is your full name, which you could put your full name, but this is more important, the display name. This is the name that other users will see. So I suggest for both of these to be the same, and I suggest that you put your first and last name. That way it's very easy for us to find each other in Slack. So I'm asking every student to go into this profile, your profile, and edit it so that it says your first and last name, because some of you, your names are smushed together and it'll be harder to search for you. So please make sure that your display name and your full name are changed to your first and last name. And I'm going to change mine back to Mr. Rogers so it's easy to contact me. And you can see here, students are already writing in and saying hi to each other. And this is going to be the #1 way that we communicate with each other throughout the year. So instead of writing me an email, you can just go to Exploration 7th and write at Mr. Rogers, and you can ask me a question or pose an idea, or you can send me a direct message. Again, instead of writing an email, I feel like this will be a more efficient way for us to go back and forth and for you guys, again, to communicate with each other. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Slack now that you are all Slack pros.